Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Loom to create sales videos for higher conversions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Loom for creating sales videos, start by visiting the Loom website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. You can register using your email or choose a social media account. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To create a new video, locate the new video button on the screen. Click on it to start recording your sales video. Next, you'll have options to choose from, such as screen recording, camera recording, or both. Select your preferred recording option for your sales video. If you're recording your screen, choose the specific screen or window to share. While preparing, consider what message you want to convey in your video. Script your content in advance for a smooth delivery. When ready, hit the Start Recording button to begin. Loom will give you a countdown before it officially starts recording. Speak clearly and confidently as you present your sales pitch. Make sure to highlight key features and benefits of your product or service. Engage with your audience to maintain their interest throughout the video. If you need to pause or stop the recording at any moment, use the Loom controls. Once you finish recording, click the Stop Recording button. Loom will automatically process your video once you stop. After the processing is complete, you'll be taken to the video editing screen. Here, you can trim parts of your video or add highlights to emphasize important sections. You can also add a call to action to guide your audience towards next steps. Once satisfied with the editing, proceed to share your video. Click on the Share button to get a link to your video. You can choose to set privacy options, making your video public or private. Copy the link provided and paste it wherever you want to share your sales video. Consider embedding the video on your website or sharing it through email marketing. Monitor the video's performance through Loom's Analytics feature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.